Sophia. 오늘은요 above vs over 비디오를 만들려고 리퀘스트를 받았습니다. 사람들이 많이 헷갈리고 어떻게 잘 쓰는지 몰라가지고 오늘 다 클리어업 해가지고 되게 쉽게 설명해줄게요. 이제 가자요! Now first let's look at above. Follow me. Above. One more time. Above. Next, over. One more time. Over. Great job. Now, let's look at direct and indirect. Follow me. Direct. Follow me. Indirect. Now, you guys might be wondering what these mean. Let's explain direct first. There's a ball over or above this box because over can also use direct. And that means when you draw a straight line through the two objects, they connect. So this ball is above or over, since this has direct as well, above or over the box. And that again means that if you draw a straight line through it, they both connect. And I have a real life analogy for you guys. So if there's a bow and arrow, here's what it looks like if you didn't know. You do this, and then you try shooting, right? And you aim to the target. And this is the middle. If you get a perfect shot and it lands straight into the bullseye, into the middle, then the arrow is direct with the middle of the target. So pretend there's an imaginary line going through the arrow and into the middle. And this shows that the arrow is pointing directly at the target. Now let's move on to indirect. Here's all of this. Now the position of the ball changes from right on top to somewhere off to the side. It could actually be anywhere, but just not in the line going through the box. And that means indirect. If you do this, there's no box there. So that shows that it's indirect. So if you want to know, or if you have trouble doing this, just draw a straight line through whatever object it is, and if anything gets in its way, then it's direct, and if it's not in the line, then it's indirect. So that's another method. Now, like I explained over there, over is only used with direct. So this would be, the ball is over the box. But this is not over. That is above. Above, you can use it for both. This is above the box. This is above the box. But over can only be direct. So, next method. Over can also be used as more than. Follow me, more than. Like in math, 5 is more than 4. And it's like that sign right there. So if we want to get all mathematical and technical, basically it's this. Now here are two examples. She is over 5 feet tall. This means that she is more than 5 feet tall. So not only it could be used in this way, it could be also used as more than. She is over 5 feet tall, meaning she is more than 5 feet tall. So she could be 6 feet tall or 7 feet tall, but that's probably not possible. Next, there are over 50 books in my bookshelf. There are more than 50 books in my bookshelf. And that just means that there could be 51, 52, it just has to be more than 50. Of course, there are some exceptions. A lot of things in English have exceptions. That's why it's kind of hard to learn at first. Above average and above sea level. Above average means above normal. So let's pretend we have a boy named Matt. Let's call him Matt. And he is really good at the piano. So he is above average at the piano. and that's what it means. Above normal, because he is so good at it. Above average. I have a lot of friends who are above average at the piano. Sea level is next. A mountain is above sea level. Pretend there's a mountain for decoration. And then pretend somewhere along here it turns into a sea. So ocean, and there is fish. Yeah. And this mountain is above sea level because here sea level but is above. Sea level and above. Above average is above normal. Like Matt is above average in his piano skills. There's another way over can be used, covering something. So my hand is covering this marker so you cannot see it. My hand is over this marker. My hand is over this marker because it's covering it. Now let's move on to our last way over here. I see the dog over the fence. So I have a little diagram here. This is the fence. And then that is the dog and that is me. And as you can see, I'm looking over the fence to the dog. I see the dog over the fence. And that means that something can be on the other side. So there's like a wall and you look over the wall. It means that it's going over it. So up and under. Hopefully that all made sense to you. I tried to explain it as well as I could. And now let's have a small review. This ball is above the box. This ball is also above the box. But this ball is over the box. This cannot be over the box because over is only direct. And this over can be also used as more than. She's over 5 feet tall. She's more than 5 feet tall. There are over 50 books in my bookshelf. There are more than 50 books in my bookshelf. And of course there are some exceptions such as above average and above sea level. Over can also mean covering something. Like I showed you earlier, my hand is covering this marker. So my hand is over this marker. Or another small example is, pretend there are buildings. Lots of buildings with windows everywhere. And there's a huge amount of clouds. It's a very cloudy day. And the clouds are basically covering the city. So there are clouds over the buildings. There are clouds over the city. Now I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to like and subscribe. Click over here at this box to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Once again, thank you so much. Bye! Hey guys, it's me Sophia. 오늘은 한국말로 말하려고 그랬는데요. 잘하나 못하나 밑에 코멘트 해주세요. 오늘은 학교에 가져있다는